Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back, students. Okay, so today we are going to start our last chapter of T2. That is our 8th chapter. It is our chapter number 10. That is the mensuration, and it is on page number 167. So in this chapter, we are going to study about the different these closed figures, the quadrilaterals, how to find their area, the perimeters. Okay, so we will start from here. So if we could see, this is a diagram of a rectangle, so we should first know what is a rectangle. Okay, rectangle is a four-sided figure. Okay, it is a quadrilateral because quadrilateral is just a closed figure having, right, a four-sided closed figure, that is a quadrilateral. So rectangle is a quadrilateral. It is a four-sided figure where the opposite sides are equal. That means this side is equal to this and this side is equal to this. Also there is one more thing, that all the angles are 90 degrees. So this is a rectangle, and the formula of this area is length into breadth. Fine. And for the perimeter, the formula we have, that is 2 into length plus breadth. Now the second one is the square. Okay, it is also a four-sided figure in which all the sides are equal. Okay, and also there is one more thing, that all the angles are 90 degrees. Right. Now we have this triangle. It is a three-sided closed figure. Okay, it is just a three-sided closed figure. There is certain things that we have to take into account. That is, all the angles, the sum of all the angles should be 180 degrees, and the sum of any two sides should be greater than the third. That means अगर हम इन दो को add करें, that should be greater than this. इन दो को add करें, that should be greater than this. इन दो को add करें, greater than this. Okay, now the parallelogram we have. It is a four-sided closed figure in which opposite sides are equal and parallel. The angles need not to be 90 degrees. Then we have a circle. Right, so what is a circle? It is the path of all those points which are equidistant from a fixed point. That fixed point is the center. So from this center to any point on the circle, we call that as radius. Okay, so this is the diameter. This is a diameter. So what is a diameter? It is a line whose both ends lie on the circle and it passes through the center. Okay, now this is a chord. So what is a chord? It is just a line segment in which both ends lie on the circle, and it can or cannot pass through the circle. If it is passing through the circle, then that will be a diameter. So from that we can say that diameter is the longest chord. Okay, so जैसे हम इनका जो हम perimeter बोलते हैं, तो इसमें हम उसको circumference बोलते हैं. So the formula for circumference is 2 pi r. Okay, that is the 2 pi r. So I don't think it should have been length into, it can't be a into a, it should be a into b. So it is a into a. Okay, now we have to start this exercise 10.1, and the first question we have is, a circle and a rectangular field with measurements are given in the figure have the same diameter. Which field has a larger area? So these are two diagrams. This one is a square and this is a rectangle. It's being said that both are having the same perimeter. Okay, that means the boundary. Perimeter क्या होता है? Perimeter होता क्या है? That is the boundary of a closed figure, and the area is the surface जो इस closed figure के अंदर होता है. Okay, so we have to check, we have to find out both of the areas and we have to compare them as well. Okay, I have drawn these diagrams here. The first one is here, side of the square is 60 meters. Okay, this is for this. Therefore the perimeter will be 4 into side. That means 4 into 60 meters. So it is 240 meters. Now the area of square, I am denoting that with A1, that is side multiplied by side, that is 60 meters into 60 meters, that is coming out to be 3600 meter square. That is for the square, और इसका area को मैंने A1 रख दिया. Since the perimeter of rectangle is equal to the perimeter of the given square, because in the question it is given to us. ठीक है, so what we will do, so the perimeter of the, अगर perimeter rectangle का 240 meters है, that means the perimeter of the square will also be 240 because it is given. Therefore the perimeter of rectangle is 240. but अगर हम formula use करें, that is 2 into L plus B, that is length plus breadth equals to 240. So length plus breadth will be 240 upon 2, that is 120 meters. But our length is this, यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं हम, but I have written here, sorry, but length is this 80 meters. So therefore 80 meters plus breadth is 120 meters. Breadth is 120 minus 80, that is breadth is 40 meters. So यहाँ से अब length भी पता है, breadth भी पता है, then the area of the rectangle A2 will be length multiplied by breadth, that is 80 meters into 40 meters. So A2 is equal to 3200 meters square. The area for the square was 3600 and for the rectangle it is 3200 meters square. Here A1 is greater than A2, that is 3600 meters square is greater than 3200 meters square. Therefore area of the square, this by this I mean जो diagram A में थी, is greater. Okay, because हम जब दोनों को compare किया, स्क्वायर का एरिया ज़्यादा था, सो हमने लिख दिया दैट द एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर ए इज़ ग्रेटर. अगर आप बोलते हैं कि कितना ज़्यादा है, फॉर दैट व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू सबट्रैक्ट दीज एरियाज. तो वो 400 मीटर स्क्वायर हो जाता कि वो उतना उससे ज़्यादा था. सो आई थिंक दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे.